City, please.
Washington, D.C., please. The White House.
Just a moment. Here's the number.
Can you connect me to that number?
There's a connect fee of $1, sir.
Fine.
White House switchboard, how may I direct your call?
All right. Listen carefully. This is an emergency call from Air Force One. This is the president. Connect me to the vice president, please.
Who did you say is calling?
This is the president.
Yeah, right, and I'm the first lady.
Don't cut me off. This is an emergency.
Sir, the president doesn't call this particular phone number, so whoever you are,
Trace
get
the
a line.
call. Follow your standard security procedure. And trace the goddamn call.
Okay, sir. You want to make a federal case out of this? Fine by me.
Look. Anyone there? Don't move!
I traced the call, sir.
Give me the gun.
Are you there?
Very slowly.
Oh, my God.
Давай!
I'll put you right through, Mr. President.
Go. The switchboard has a call from someone claiming to be the president. She traced it back to the White House satellite account. The call is gone, but the line is still active.
Put it through.
Listen to me. Listen to me. You know who I am. I'm the President of the United States.
Don't think that means I don't shoot you. Put your hands behind your head and move. Go on, блядь!
It's your lucky day. What more can my people do? Tell the F-15s to fire at the plane? Even if they tried, we're equipped with tactical countermeasures.
He's talking to us.
What are you telling me? What do you mean?
I just want you to feel secure that way. No one will get hurt. The computer will fly circles around any missile they fire at us. And no hit, just a shockwave.
He's telling us what to do.
Believe me, all that'd happen is we'd get knocked off our feet. That's all.
Shut up, goddammit!
Go. Is he saying what I think he's saying?
If we're going to act, we have to act now.
It's too risky.
The president is up there with a gun to his head.
He's asking us to do that to Air Force One.
He's not asking. Your commander-in-chief has issued a direct order. Do it!
Sir, are you sure that's what you want me to do?
You heard me, Carl. And let's pray it works the way it's supposed to.
Okay, boys, give me some rope. I've just been ordered to fire on Air Force One.
I'm in position. Missiles are armed.
All right, быстро.
Target is acquired. I have a good lock. God, I hope this works. Box 3.
Черт возьми! Ну что?
Американцы. Нас атаковали американцы. Я потерял контроль. Все, не хочу ничего слушать.
This is Marshall. Anyone there?
We're here, Mr. President.
Where's my family? Are they safe?
Well, the terrorists claim they're holding them. We can't confirm.
Who are they? What do they want?
They're Russian ultranationalist radicals. They want General Radek released from prison.
Radek. What are our tactical options?
We're working on that, Mr. President, but the bastards do have us in a corner.
There is no rescue attempt.
I ruled out a mid-air rescue. There's nothing we can do while the plane is still in the air.
And we gotta get this plane on the ground. Take me off that goddamn speakerphone. Where's Bennett?
Mr. President,
We cannot release Radek.
They're gonna shoot a hostage every half hour until we do. I don't want a plane full of dead people.
Jim, they shot Jack Dougherty.
Oh, Christ. Catherine, we can't give in to their demands. It won't end there.
And if you die in that plane, does it end there?
Catherine, we've got a job to do, whatever the cost.
Mr. President,
Catherine, if you give a mouse a cookie,
he's gonna want a glass of milk.
we gotta get this plane on the ground.
Vas le vernosa.
Yeah.
Plane on the ground.
Должна работать как в аптеке. Это сука.